to one of your
It was my
favorite local little
pleasure.
places. I'm excited to try all this food. I know we made the fish, but it's nice to try other ones too.
Oh, yes, when they cook it for you, it's even better.
So we're in the Old Town still.
Yes, still one of the traditional restaurants that we have in Corfu Town. It's one of the restaurants that I prefer to come with my family. It's a family-owned restaurant, and it makes the local dishes so perfectly. Burdetto, the spicy one.
Yeah,
So
delicious.
this is called Sofrito, with the garlic and the parsley. And usually it is
It's
either
so tender.
it's called with fries, rice, or mashed potatoes, and Pastitsada. We usually make Pastitsada every Sunday because it's a family day. Children love the spaghetti, and of course the others can also eat the meat.
So is this beef also?
Beef,
Is that, it's all
beef.
beef. Okay.
Or Rooster, you can find it also with
Rooster.
Rooster.
That's the name of the restaurant, I take it. Yeah. So the fish, let's see if it's as good as we made.
If
Help
it is
yourself.
spicy enough.
If it's spicy enough, exactly. And we'll see if we taste any of those crazy spices that we know so well. So these dishes are just from Corfu.
Yes, so you can only find them in Corfu. If you visit the other place in Greece, they're on.
This is amazing. So tender and just,
But it has a lot of
but
garlic.
light.
Yeah.
It's garlicky, but it's not like overwhelming, you know? Like the meat soaks it up very well, so it's very, very good. But I guess that's why you have French fries or
Yes.
potato and that kind of thing as well.
This is made with veal.
Veal. That's why it's so tender.
Yes.
I'm glad that my crew is going to be sitting down and enjoying all this with us. So.
I'm so happy also. They are also very tired.
I know.
It was a long day.
Yeah.
So
We're happy we got to do this in Corfu. It's my
we
first
will
time.
continue.
I know.
We will have another stop, you know.
Yeah.
for
So now they
kids.
kind of want me to stop so they could eat. So
Okay.
I guess we'll do that.
Okay, great, great. Let's give them
Yeah,
time.
Yamas.
Yamas.